everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have a special unboxing review for you, the Russian Dolla Silk Saree bordered saree. It just rupees 999, and let's take a look at what's inside in this gorgeous package. As we open the box, we can see the saree is carefully wrapped in a protective cover, ensuring it arrives in perfectly condition, and the vibrant color and intricate zari work immediately catch our eye. The fabric feels incredible soft and silky to the touch, making it comfortable to wear throughout the day. This saree is perfect for those special occasions or even an elegant night out. The zari border showcases the craftsmanship, adding a touch of tradition and elegance to overall design. The detailing is impeccable, with each thread carefully woven to create beautiful pattern that shimmer in the light. So guys, the Russian Dolla Silk Saree with Zari work is lightweight and draped beautifully, enhancing your nature grace. The length and width are ideal for creating various style and drape to suit your preference. Whether you are attending wedding, festive, or simply want to make a statement, this saree is perfect choice. It combines timeless elegance with a modern touch, making it a versatile adding to your wardrobe. And there you have it, the stunning Russian Dolla Silk Saree Zari border, price at just 1299. And it truly is a must have for all saree lovers out there. Thank you for watching.